Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pre-move on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to pre-move. And of course, if you want to do that, let's just get into a game first of all. So let's just get into 1 minute game. So if you want to pre-move, you'll have to make multiple moves, one after one, before he even made his move. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to do this and this. And as you can see, when he moves, I move directly after him, which is actually called the pre-move. So let me show you again. Once he moved, I'm going to move this again so fast. And that's what's a pre-move. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you again, guys, for watching and goodbye.